Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the subfloor and underlayment are flat and clean. This matters because leveling clips only correct tile height, not flatness. Once done, dry lay the first row to establish joint lines and decide stagger. Place the clip base at the edge of the first tile where joints meet. Push it tight against the tile edge so the next tile will seat against the clip. This early placement sets consistent gap and prevents shifting as you continue. You lay the next tile and insert the wedge into the clip slot. This is where control matters. Hand tighten first to align edges, then use a manual or ratchet plier tool to apply consistent pressure. This forces tiles to the same plane and compensates for lippage. Work outward from your starting point in short runs, checking a 2M straight edge or level across 3 tiles as you go. Once tiles sit flush and joints are uniform, remove excess. You let the adhesive cure per instructions so tiles won't shift when clips come out. Timing prevents chip or joint movement. To remove, strike the clip neck with a soft mallet or stomp to snap it off. Collect and reuse the plastic wedges. After removal, vacuum joints, grout carefully, and finish with a sealant if needed. If you see lippage after curing, lift the affected tile, add thin-set shims or rebed. This troubleshooting step corrects persistent high edges without redoing the whole run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.